Welcome back and congratulations! You have finished the Python course for beginners. To test your knowledge, we'll be building a journaling app. Please try it before watching me. If you do, there are a few requirements. Requirement number one: when creating a journal, it must ask you for the date, your mood, and your thoughts, and record it in a text file. 2. The journals must be saved in a text file. 3. The program will keep asking you till you tell it to stop. 4. You can view journals as well as create them. And 5. You must create a custom module. Let me give you a demo of the app. So first, you'll be asked to view a journal from another day. And now I am making a new journal. Today, the date is the 1st of the 9th of 2024. My mood is 5. And my thoughts, please subscribe. Now I get asked again. So if I click yes to view another journal and to put today's date 0.2024, I will get date of journal, mood, and thoughts. Then I'll be asked again, and if I type in exit, I can leave. So this is the app you must build. Good luck. Now I'll show you how I would build this app. You can compare your code with mine afterwards. So to start, I'd create a prompt and set this to the input of the journal. Would you like to view a journal from another day? Y/n. Then I'll use an if prompt equals to y surrounded by quotes y. Then I'll put pause right now. I'll get back to this part later on. Then I'll do elif prompt is equal to n. Then I'll also do pause, and last but not least, I'll say else. This means nobody knows, and I'll simply do print input error. Now let me come back to the why first of all. Now why is if they would like to view another day's journal. So first we have to store the date of the journal. So let's do date input. What is the day of that journal? And dash. Now here we can use a with context manager. We can say with open. Now an f string. Put here date because this is where we're going to be storing all our files. Put date.txt in read mode. And then over here I'll say print file.read. Wait, I have to add as file here. Now the entire Y section is covered. Let's come back to if they want to create one. Let's ask them again for the date, but this time saying it differently as what is the date today. Then we can say the mood equals input, rate your mood on a scale of 1 to 5. And after that, we can say the thoughts. Thoughts equals input. What are your thoughts? Now we can say with open date in f string date dot txt where we're saving all of our apps as file And over here we can say file dot, wait, we forgot to give it a type. We'll say the A for append, but technically we don't need to append, so we can actually go well with the W for write. So then file dot write, and first we'll write the date. So we can use an S string again and say date colon date. Then we can say we can write the thoughts. Actually, no, let's do the mood. To do this, we could use an if, or we could straight out type in the mood of 1 or 5. But let's give this a bit more complexity. Let's use a match case statement. Match cases are sort of like ifs, but more for complex methods. So I could say match mood colon and then a case of 1. So this means if mood is 1, then do something. In this case, we can do file dot write, and here we'll do an f string mood dash mood. Oh well, mood dash actually very bad, because 1 would be very bad. Now let's copy this and paste it. Here we can say case 2, and 2 would be bad. Then paste it again. Oops, paste it here. And as 3 this time, 3 will be neutral. Neutral. And then enter, paste it again. 4. 4 will be good. And last but not least, well, control B. Here, instead of this, we can say 5 and very good. This adds more complexity to the program. And next we'll do, let's leave the match case and let's simply do file dot write to an f string again towards the thoughts. Now let's see what would happen right now if I ran this. So would I like to view a journal from another day? No. What is the date today? I'll say the 1st of the 9th of 2024. My mood today is a 5 and my thoughts are subscribe. Now this is saved, and you can see here that a text file is created with the date. So now let me delete the console. But as you can see, the requirements, we've missed 2 requirements currently. First, let's just wrap this all in a while true to make it continuous. And let's add not y or n or exit, and here add an else print if prompt else print input error. Then let's actually add another elif in there. So elif prompt is equal to y, I mean exit, then simply break. But we're still missing one last one. We need to add a module. So let's add a module, and this module will contain the mood. because the mood is getting very big. So let's say mood selector.py, back to journal, copy the entire match mood, control X, and come to mood selector and say def get mood, and here instead of doing file.write, okay, these are very indented. Shift tab to unindent and shift tab again. So instead of writing these, we will return them. Remove all these brackets and simply return the mood. Instead here we could write return, not that, we need return, return, not f return, just return, and return. Now we can come back here, go to the top and import mood selector. Now let's see, right here we can write file.write mood selector.get mood, and let's give it the variable of mood. Now if we run this, I can pull this down this time. Now if we run this, let's wait for it to load. You will see that, let's say I do want a view from another day, 01.09.2024 date. Aha, you see that everything is connected. So I can close this. Actually, no need to do that. Simply come here and I'll make this an F string here and here and do \n and then put this there and another \n over here. Now we can open this up, delete this file, delete, and run it again. Oh, CLS. Now we can run it again. No, I have no journals. Today it's the 1st of the 9th of 2024. My mood 5. Ecstatic. Now what is the date today? Why do we get this printed out again? Well, let's try debugging. We first check the thoughts, then we go back up to the top. Aha! It's because the prompt is not actually inside the loop. So actually Control X and put this inside the loop. Just Control C to interrupt it. CLS to clear the console, and then no, what's the date today? Today is the 20th of the 20th of the year 2000. My mood, a 5. My thoughts, ecstatic. Now I get asked again. I can say yes. The date was the 20th of the 20th of the year 2000. Date, mood, and thoughts. And if I just type in exit, I can leave. So congratulations, this is the end of my Python course for beginners. I have the complete list of links of all my other videos in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.